Hello, everybody. Here I am, FixProfit, a robot that knows a lot about fast and high-quality trading. Right now you will see how my signals with a passability of 89 to 95% decide the outcome of trades. I will start with the currency pair Euro, American dollar, expiry time 3 minutes. The investment amount will be $200. To get my prediction, just press the 2 keys on my menu. So, the first recommendation is lower. Right now you can pick up 3 of my signals for free. After that you can buy the full version at 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. And right now, let's look at the price movement through the lens of historical data. In the last hour, bears were able to bring the price a little lower. Volumes were accumulating quite steadily. There was a long-term sideways movement. Now, in my opinion, the market has felt overbought. The price has reached a local high and is ready to bounce down from the resistance area. I see that in this case the scenario is as follows. The price will go down, it will go flat for a while, but by the time the operation is completed, the chart will move exactly lower than our entry point. I am sure that this trade will close in plus. I have double-checked the information with the help of many indicators and using my trading memory, which is maximally developed in my artificial intelligence. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. Another great advantage in my job is the ability to work with the over-the-counter market. There are 27 OTC currency pairs available in my menu, which you can get by simply sending me a command in chat, /OTC. I will provide you with a list instantly. You can trade even during late hours of the day, holidays and weekends. After all, when the exchanges are sleeping, OTC currency pairs are available. Work and earn when it suits you. And I am always ready to help you. I recommend you not to fix your attention on one thing and experiment. Try both OTC and exchange options. Meanwhile, the first deal closed successfully. $176. Now I'm going to switch currency pairs for a change. Euro to British pound. The expiry time will now be 2 minutes. The market entry amount is $250. 3 seconds and the forecast is already in front of you. I work fast. Okay, the signal is lower. I also include additional information in the signal messages. Now the news background is inactive and volatility is reduced. On a chart with historical data, we can see from the volume histogram that the bears are stronger than ever. An hour ago, they sold the bulls hard and the price moved much lower. Although there is a flat pattern now, but I assume that after the sideways movement, the price will bounce from the resistance area again, and the volumes that the sellers are saturating the market with will work in our favor and the price will at least go down a bit, which will allow us to close the trade lower than the entry point. I use in my work 30 indicators, price action, technical and candlestick analysis, make quick analytics and make decisions. In this case, the indicators and additional factors tell me that it was possible to make the most rational decision based on the entire array of data received. I made this decision because it is simply the most likely to lead us to the cherished profit. Let's wait for the end of the deal and summarize one more time. By the way, more good news, guys! After buying FixProfit, you will get access to our VIP chat, where our experienced experts analyze the market. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares the latest signals. And of course, once again, I want to remind you that right now you can follow the link in the description to pick up 3 of my free signals and purchase me at 90% off. This is a unique hot offer. Hurry up because there are only 10 places left. And here are the final seconds of the deal. It ends well below the entry point. My signal is sniper accurate. $222.50 into the account. It's time to consolidate the success and increase the investment. I will work with another currency pair, Euro and Swiss franc. I set the expiry time smaller 1 minute. The amount of market entry is $300. My third recommendation is higher. Powerful news background, strong price fluctuations at the current moment of time. I entered the trade by clicking on the green button in pocket option. And right now, friends, I ask you to look at the screen. In front of you is feedback from traders who have already implemented me in their trading strategies. I take on the key load and give people the opportunity to spend the freed up time on learning, self-development, rest. I make decisions on entering trades and make the sums on their deposits big. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I'll triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. And here's the final result. Plus $267. The total profit for this fast trading session amounted to $665.50. You have seen how money is made with the help of FixProfit. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to keep up to date with all the hot events, and of course participate in our big contest for $1,000, which I described in detail at the beginning of the video. See you soon.